Hi, in this video I have prepared two multiple choice questions for you, and as usual I recommend you to read questions first, answers, choose your correct answer, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So here is the first question. The reason that linked genes are inherited together is that, and here is the 5 answers to choose from. Let me start from the end of the list of the answers. Answer E, genes align that way during metaphase 1, and during metaphase 1 this is a stage where two homologous chromosomes would be pulled to the different parts of the cell and two new cells would be formed. This doesn't explain us why linked genes inherited together, because during this stage chromosome doesn't exchange any genetic material due to crossing over, so we can cross out this answer. And answer D, alleles are paired. Alleles means that two forms of the same gene, and they are paired when two chromosomes are paired, and this doesn't also explain why linked genes are inherited together, because these alleles are located on the two different chromosomes, those homologous but not on the same chromosome. So answer C, chromosomes are unbreakable, and this is not true. During meiosis, all the chromosomes usually go through the process that we call crossing over and exchange genetic material between two homologous chromosomes. So this is incorrect answer. Answer B, the number of the genes in a cell is greater than the number of the chromosomes. This is true, but this doesn't answer our question, so we can cross out this answer. And as you probably already guessed, the correct answer would be A, they are located on the same chromosome. And this is true when two genes are located on the same chromosome, they are inherited together, and if the distance between them is great, the linkage would be weak, but if the distance between them would be small, there is less chances for the crossing over, and the linkage would be stronger. And of course they would be inherited together. Next question, what is the mechanism for the production of genetic recombinants? Answer A, X inactivation, and X inactivation happens in all females that has two X chromosomes, and I am talking about mammals, and in, for example, different animals or insects there is different mechanism, but in mammals where there is X and Y chromosome, when female has two X chromosomes, one would be deactivated, so only one active chromosome would be left, and this doesn't produce any recombination, and we can cross out this answer. Answer B, methylation of cytosine, is example of the epigenetics when genes can be turned on and off, and this is also has nothing to do with recombination, so we can cross out this answer. And answer C would be the correct answer, crossing over and independent assortment. So when crossing over happens, that means that new recombinance happens due to because two homologous chromosomes may have different alleles meaning different variants of the same gene, and due to crossing over new variants of the chromosomes may arise. So we can circle this answer, but let me finish all the other answers. Answer D, non-disjunction. This doesn't produce us new recombinants because there is no recombination. This is just when organism missing one chromosome or would have one extra chromosome, and usually this leads to the serious problems on genetic level, and not all the chromosomes can be missing and or can be present in extra copy. Just not so many genetic disease that is known due to non-disjunction. For example, trisomy chromosome 21 or Down syndrome. So we can cross out this answer. So this doesn't produce new recombinants, just duplication or one whole chromosome is missing. Answer E, deletions and duplications during meiosis also may happen due to recombination process, but we do not choose this answer because this is abnormal process, and this happens as a mistake in process of meiosis, and crossing over and independent assortment, answer C, is normal process that usually happens during meiosis, and we between these two answers prefer answer C. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for more new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, suggest new videos. Goodbye.